The second chapter, and welcome to my channel Prodbug, and we will continue the Kotlin series here. And one correction in the last episode, I keep on telling that the Kotlin has been created by the idea. So basically, idea itself is created by the JetBrains. So JetBrains is the actual company which has created the IntelliJ, and the same company JetBrains has now created the Kotlin. Okay, so don't get me wrong, because we rarely speak the jet brains, and we all the time we keep on saying that intelligent, so it's okay. Okay, so now let me show you another fantastic thing that if you are, let's say, coming from Java background and you are working in a Kotlin project, and which is my case, and you're facing some difficulties, so there is one more very good option for you guys, that you can write. I will not recommend this practice, but yeah, just for the initial phase, you can write some Java classes and you can convert it into the Kotlin class automatically. Okay, so you can very easily convert your .java class into a .kt class. I will show you. So this is a Java class. Okay, and I have converted to a Kotlin. Let me delete this class for you. Uh, okay, now you can see the C underscore Java Pojo. This is a public class, and please l- uh, keep in mind that this is a .java class. So I have created a Pojo. Let me add few more methods for you. So public static void main. This is a Java style. If you don't know Java, so this is a style, and I am sure, damn sure that Java people must be enjoying looking at this particular code. Uh, okay, so let me create some object and of the same class, and here let's call object dot set method, and let's say I am Java class. Okay, I did some setter and sys out, and here let's print the value, and object dot getter. So I'm calling the get Java. Okay, so basically I have done nothing. Simply I have created a main method, and I have created the object of this class, and I have calling the setter method, saved some value, and after that I'm calling the getter method, which will print the value. Okay, so uh, look at the code. This is the getter. It will return the ABC, and it will set the ABC. Whatever I will pass here, it will be saved here. Okay, so this is a simple class. Let me run the Java class. I am Java class. Okay, this has been printed. As we are learning Kotlin, so we need to rewrite this code in the Kotlin. So how we will write? So you can directly start writing a KT class, but this is another way. Simply right click here on the Java class and go to the bottom. See, convert Java file to Kotlin file. So here use this option, convert Java to Kotlin. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. And C underscore Java Pojo, you can see this class has been created. This is a new class. Okay, so this has been removed my previous class. Nice. Okay, cool. So here is our new Kotlin class. You can see everything is same, just the extension is now become .kt from .java previously, and here you can see all the getters and setters has been removed, which we have created, and now it is only variable ABC string, and it is null because in the Pojo, if you remember, we have not initialized it initially, right? We are initializing it via getters and setters, so that's why it's a null. That's why it's a question mark, which we have seen in the previous chapter, the meaning of this question mark, and this is a null, and this is a companion object. We will learn all this advanced topic later in the series. I have created all these things to understand all this concept, but for the time being, just see that Kotlin has created some companion object, and at the rate Java static annotation, which is required, and fun main, and this is the argument, and we have again created the same class object value. Okay, so this is value, keep in mind, so value object, so it will be kind of treated as a constant here. Object.abc, we are initializing some values and we are printing it. Okay, so this is the output of the previous class, and I am Java class. Let me rerun this new Kotlin class and see the output will again remain the same. And see, I am Java class, but right now it's a Kotlin class, so the output will remain same, and so ideally it should be I am a Kotlin class now. Okay, so this is a good feature for the starters, that if somehow you are facing any kind of problem, so you can use this strategy as well if you are not very much comfortable with Kotlin. So this is a good feature which Kotlin has provided. Ultimately, .java and .kt, ultimately they will going to be compiled to .class, right? So it doesn't matter in which language you are writing. Ultimately, the JVM will going to read the .class file. So I hope this is clear, and we will make small videos, chapters on every topic, so that it will be easy for you. Side by side you can do practice as well, so you will get some time as well, and I hope this way you can learn more. Okay, so I will recommend you, don't just keep continue watching the series, but I will highly recommend that you, side by side, start coding along with me, and you will have the code as well. That is not an issue, but it will be better if you write the code yourself, because then only you will get used to it, and you will get more learning. So that's it for this particular chapter, and next we'll see the operators. Till then, thank you, keep learning, have a good day, bye bye.